Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 2000 C5 Corvette LS1 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up here. This engine starts right up. It has 96,979 miles on it. The fuel pressure's coming right up here. This is the 345 horsepower LS1 engine. It's currently mated up to an automatic transmission. This engine is in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. It will make a great replacement for your Corvette or an excellent starting point for your hot rod or retro rod. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.